Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a review for a hairspray from Enliven. It's this baby right here, and as you can see, this one is pretty in a good size. So I'm gonna talk about the pros and cons about this product because it's one of my favorite, but I just go back and forth, use another brand to just come back to this one. So the first thing I love about this hairspray, it's a really nice size. So it's not too big and it's not too small. So like normally the rest of the hairspray is really big size. This one is really convenient, so you can take it with you if you are traveling or you're gonna stay all day out and you have kind of a big purse. You can take this with you in your purse. It's not that heavy even when it's completely new. You have also product in it. It's not heavy, so you can take it with you if you're gonna stay all day out and you need to retouch your hair and make sure it's in place and everything is perfect. This one, the size is really good to take it with you if you want. So it's about 300 ml, so it's a really good size. Mostly all the hairspray that I use are really big, so you can take it with you anywhere. So this one is really good for that. So it's one of the pros of this hairspray. The second thing that I love about this spray is really help to hold your hair in place for quite some time. Not the whole day. It's not super strong. You apply and you know that your hair will stay on and doesn't move. This one doesn't do that. But the good thing about this one really help to hold your hair for quite some time, especially if you're not gonna move your hair. There's no air in the area. You're not gonna just like play with your hair with your finger. It will hold your hair in place and make everything look so beautiful. But in the same time, it doesn't make any white residue over your hair, even if you overuse it. Like use it multiple times in the same spot, or use a large amount of product over the same spot. It doesn't make any white residue at all, which is perfect for me, because one thing that I really hate about hairsprays, when you overdo it, when you need to retouch your hair, or somehow you just spray a lot of spray on like a specific area, you begin to see that white residue over your hair, which is so annoying. And in the same time, you just stay there, don't want to go. Even if you brush your hair, just stay there, which is not cool. This one doesn't do that at all. It's so amazing. If you spray your hair and let it dry and just brush your hair afterwards, there's no white residue no matter what, and doesn't make my hair greasy at all, no matter how many times I use it. Just like I don't use it. Once I just brush my hair, it's just like I don't have any product on my hair, which is amazing. No white residue, no greasiness, nothing. So it doesn't really hold your hair for a long time. This is one of the cons of this product, but there's no white residue. You can reuse it over the same spot again and again if you want, which is perfect without making your hair so greasy or making any white spots or white residue. So yeah, overall, just come back and forth with this one. If I'm gonna travel or I need to stay out for the whole day and I really need the hairspray, I just take this with me, so it's always with me. Sometimes I change and use another hairspray if I wanna have my hair held in place for quite some time, like a long period of time, and use another brands. But for this one, like for me, like for everyday use, to tame the flying hair everywhere, this one does the job. It's really amazing. And for curls, really hold the curls in place for quite some time, which is amazing, especially if you let your hair, the curls like cool in place for quite some time. With the hairspray, really helps to extend the effect of the hairspray over your curls, and it can last the whole day. So this one, I love it so much. No matter what, it doesn't hold the hair for a long period of time, but in the same time, if I need to redo it or reuse it over the same spot, I can, because there is no greasiness, no white residue, and that's amazing. It doesn't make my hair greasy, and it's beautiful. I love it so much. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and I really hope that I talked about everything. And the price of this one is really convenient as well. So it's really good in everything. For me, I love it, and I just use it for years. I can't remember how many years I use this one. When this one is empty, I need to buy another one actually. So yeah, this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and I give you everything about this product. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.